This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by K. Stevens. This golf course home on the 14th hole has a wonderful open floor plan. You have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main level plus a guest suite upstairs. The living room has a cathedral ceiling and fireplace with remote operating gas logs. The island kitchen offers social time during food preparation and casual dining. The large pantry has built-in shelving. There are 2 porches, 1 screen, for outdoor relaxation and enjoyment. For more information, review the details below or contact K. Stevens at 706-467-3181.